All right, team, we all know how important it is to move our bodies, right? It's not just about looking good in the mirror, it's about feeling our best, having loads of energy, and living life to the fullest. That's why I'm super excited to share 15 game-changing fitness tips that you can start using today to level up your fitness journey. We're gonna dive deep into everything from setting the right goals and smashing those workouts to nailing your nutrition and even the importance of rest. These tips aren't just some quick fixes, they're all about building healthy habits that stick, so you can feel amazing inside and out. Let's do this! First things first, let's talk about setting goals. We've all been there, setting these massive, crazy goals that seem impossible to reach. Then, we get discouraged and give up before we even really start. Think about what you can realistically achieve each week, whether it's squeezing in a couple of workouts or swapping out that sugary drink for water. These small wins add up. And don't forget to set those bigger long-term goals too, having something to work towards like running that 5K or feeling confident on the beach. That's what's going to keep you motivated and moving in the right direction. Now let's talk about your workout routine. It shouldn't feel like a chore, the same old boring routine day after day. We want to make fitness fun and exciting. That's why it's so important to mix things up with a good balance of cardio, strength training, and flexibility. Cardio is your heart-pumping, sweat-inducing exercise like running, swimming, or dancing. Strength training is all about building those muscles, making you stronger and more toned. Think lifting weights or bodyweight exercises. And don't forget about flexibility. Stretching helps prevent injuries, improves your range of motion, and just makes you feel good. We all know water is essential for life, but did you know it's also crucial for smashing your fitness goals? Staying hydrated keeps your energy levels up, helps your muscles recover faster, and even improves your performance during workouts. Carry a reusable bottle with you everywhere you go and make it a habit to drink up before, during, and after your workouts. Remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're already slightly dehydrated, so stay ahead of the game and keep that water flowing. Let's talk about food, glorious food. You can't out-train a bad diet, right? It's all about finding that balance between enjoying your favorite treats and fueling your body with the good stuff. Focus on getting enough protein to build and repair those muscles, healthy carbs for energy, and good fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Think lean meats, fish, whole grains, fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. Meal prepping is your best friend, especially if you're always on the go. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the week, and you'll be sorted. Strength training is for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. It's not about bulking up. It's about building a strong and resilient body. Lifting weights helps increase your metabolism, strengthens your bones, and improves your posture. You don't need a fancy gym membership to get started. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges are fantastic for building strength. Start with a few sets of each exercise and gradually increase the reps or resistance as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week to reap the amazing benefits. Let's be real. Sometimes getting motivated to work out can be tough. That's where a workout buddy comes in. Having someone to exercise with can make all the difference. You can hold each other accountable, push each other further, and make working out more enjoyable. Find a friend, family member, or even a colleague who shares similar fitness goals and schedule some sweat sessions together. Having that support system makes a world of difference, trust me. We love to push ourselves, right? But it's so important to listen to our bodies and give them the rest they need. Rest days aren't for the weak, they're for the smart. When you rest, your muscles have time to repair and rebuild, making you stronger for your next workout. Plus, rest days help prevent burnout and keep you motivated in the long run. Pay attention to any signs of overtraining, like persistent muscle soreness, fatigue, or decreased performance. If you're feeling burnt out, take a break and let your body recover. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. It's not about being perfect, it's about making exercise a regular part of your routine. Schedule your workouts like you would any other important appointment and stick to it as much as possible. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening. Once you find a rhythm, you'll be amazed at how much easier it becomes to stick to it. Don't let your workouts become stale and boring. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to staying motivated and challenged in your fitness routine. Try new activities, explore different types of exercise, and keep your body guessing. The possibilities are endless. Keep it fresh, keep it fun, and you'll be more likely to stick with it. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. It's not about obsessing over numbers, it's about recognizing your achievements and celebrating your wins, no matter how small. You can keep a fitness journal, use a fitness tracker, or download a fitness app to monitor your workouts, track your food intake, and measure your progress. Seeing how much stronger, fitter, and healthier you're becoming can be incredibly motivating. Remember to celebrate your milestones along the way. Fitness isn't just about physical health, it's about mental well-being too. Exercise has been proven to reduce stress, boost your mood, and improve your overall mental health. And incorporating mindfulness into your workouts can take it to the next level. Pay attention to your breath, connect with your body, and be present in the moment. Focus on how your body feels during each exercise, and let go of any stresses or worries. You'll be amazed at how much more enjoyable and effective your workouts become. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, energy levels, and overall well-being. When you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds itself, so you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid caffeine or alcohol before bed. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your physical and mental health. You don't need a fancy gym membership to get a great workout. Creating a dedicated workout space at home can make it easier to fit in exercise, even on busy days. Find a corner in your living room, bedroom, or even your garage and equip it with some basic workout essentials. Having a designated workout space can help you get in the zone and make exercise more accessible. The more you know about fitness, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Understanding the science behind exercise, nutrition, and recovery can help you optimize your workouts and achieve your goals more effectively. Last but not least, don't forget to celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your progress and rewarding yourself for your hard work is crucial for staying motivated and feeling good about your journey. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier you is a victory worth celebrating. So there you have it, team. 15 game-changing fitness tips to transform your health and well-being. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you, listening to your body, and enjoying the journey. Start by implementing a few of these tips into your routine and gradually incorporate more as you go. Don't try to do everything at once, and remember that consistency is key. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tip are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts and fitness journey in the comments below. Let's do this.